How to enable vibration in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the third option, you can simply tap on settings. Now we are in the settings interface. Here in the middle, you can see the option called vibration. So make sure you tap on it and tick on it. So what does vibration do? So this is a game of horror. There will be different type of pop-ups and different jump scares. So there will be vibration if you do so it will give you an extra experience of playing the game. So it is more fun playing like this because there will be different vibration when you hit something or when there are different objects around you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.